Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's quiz is about Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 1. When did Mahatma Gandhi return to India from South Africa? Options are 1918, 1910, 1915, 1905. The answer is 1915. Question number 2. Which of the following, according to Gandhiji, is an essential principle of Satyagraha? Options are A. Infinite capacity for suffering. B. Non-violence. C. Truth. D. All of these. Answer is all of these. Question number 3. In which year did Mahatma Gandhi led the famous Salt March? Options are A. 1919, B. 1930, C. 1942, D. 1947. Answer is 1930. Next question. On words, there is no option. Question number 4. When was Mahatma Gandhi born? It's time to think. Answer is October 2nd, 1869. Question number 5. Where was Mahatma Gandhi born? It's time to think. If you know the answer, say it in the comment. Question number 6. What is the full name of Mahatma Gandhi? It's time to think. Answer is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Thank you for watching the video. Like, share and subscribe.